So,
Good morning, sir.
we have solved some problems from the compound angles. Today we'll see some more other models. So once observe these problems. I think in the last class 16th तक हो गया ना?
Yes, sir.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Now look at the problem number 17. Once observe that cot of pi by 4 plus theta into cot of pi by 4 minus theta. What is that answer? That the result I was given.
1.
Huh?
1.
1 is the
One.
good. Because here if you observe that the sum of the angles, दोनों angles add किया तो हमको pi by 2 मिलेगा. When the a plus b is 90 degree, cot a into cot b value is 1. That's why the answer is 1. Then look at the problem number 18. Observe this 1 plus tan 13 degree into 1 plus tan 32 degree upon 1 plus tan 12 degree into 1 plus tan 33 degree. Okay,
Sir, answer is 1.
answer is 1. Good.
Yes, sir, answer is 1.
Here also if you observe that the angles in the numerator are 13 and 32 degree. We know that 13 plus 32 which is 45 degree. We know the result that if a plus b is 45 degree, if a plus b is equal to 45 degree, then 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b, this result I was given. So this value is equal to 2.
2.
1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b is 2. Therefore, the numerator value become 2. And the denominator also 12 plus 33 which is 45. That's why this value is also 2 as for the result. So the answer is 1. Then look at the next problem.
Done, sir.
19th problem. Here also the same way. A plus b is given as 135. What is the value of 1 plus cot a into 1 plus cot b? A plus b is given as 135 degree. Then you have to find 1 plus cot a into 1 plus cot b we have to find. So here if you observe the options, all the options are the constant. Means it is going to give the same value whatever may be the angle which is satisfy that given condition. So certain cases, if suppose if we don't know the result, then take some values for a and b which satisfy this condition. Suppose if I take that, let a is equal to 90 degree, b is equal to 45 degree, I will take it. 90 plus 45 which is 135. So if you substitute there, it is 1 plus cot 90 degree into 1 plus cot 45 degree. So the value of cot 90
0.
into 1 plus cot 45 is 1. So 1 plus 1 that is
1.
2 into 1 that is 2. Means this is also the result we have to remember, because just I have given one result to you that if a plus b is 45 degree or 225 degree, means if the angle lies in the first coordinate or the third coordinate, then the result is that if a plus b is equal to 45 degree or 225 degree, then 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b is equal to 2. 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b is equal to the 2. So that is the result in terms of that tan. Suppose if I want to find the result in terms of the cot, so this is, you can also write tan a means you can write 1 by tan, 1 by cot a. 1 by cot a we can write it. So 1 plus cot a into 1 plus cot b is equal to 2 cot a cot b, we will get the result. Okay. Similarly, suppose if a plus b is equal to 135 degree or 315 degree, that is 360 minus 45. So 135 and 315. So these are the angles lies in the second or fourth coordinate. Then the result in terms of the cot is that 1 plus cot a into 1 plus cot b value is equal to 2. Here, whatever the result we are getting in terms of the tan, here we will get the result in terms of the cot. So that is the result we have to remember. Take that.
Done, sir.
Yes, sure. Look at the problem number 2020. So this problem number 20. If a plus b is equal to 300 degree, what is the value of 1 plus root 3 cot a into 1 plus root 3 cot b? So to find the result in that case, here also of course options are the constant. By taking some angles which satisfy that condition, you can substitute there, you will get the answer. Otherwise, so this is the condition was given. We want the result in terms of the cot. To get that, apply cot on both the side. Then it is cot of a plus b is equal to cot 300. Then we will expand it. Cot of a plus b means cot a cot b minus 1 upon cot b plus cot a is equal to cot 300 degree. So 300 means we can write 360 minus 60. 360 minus which coordinate?
Fourth quadrant.
Fourth coordinate में cot is negative. Minus cot 60 degree we will get it. What is the value of cot 60 degree?
1 by root 3.
1 by root 3.
3.
For cot 300 degrees minus 1 by root 3. So do the cross multiplication. Then that root 3 comes to here is root 3 cot A cot B minus root 3 into 1 is root 3 is equal to, this is if multiply this minus cot B minus cot A. This is what we are getting. Now bring that negative term this side, then which is root 3 cot A cot B plus cot B plus cot A is equal to, send this minus root 3 other side is equal to plus root 3. Okay. Now from these two terms, what we can take common?
Cot B.
Cot B.
Cot A.
Because we want root 3 cot A. No? Okay. So I
You
can
can do
take
cot A
common.
cot A.
Then root 3 cot A
root 3 cot A
plus 1 will be there. But here also we want 1. Just a minute. Let me to see the problem. The problem is 1 plus root 3 cot A into 1 plus root 3 cot B. Root 3 cot A, root 3 cot B. Plus cot A. Okay. So if you want to get that answer, here we will do like this. So this is the value we got it. So what we will do is multiply by root 3 on both the side. Multiply by root 3. If you multiply by this root 3 into root 3, 3 cot A cot B plus root 3 cot B plus root 3 cot A is equal to 3. This is what we are getting. Now, from this first two terms, what we can take common? Because
Root 3 cot B.
I can write the root 3 into root 3. So I can take the root 3 cot B from this. What is the remaining?
Root 3 cross. Sorry, root 3 cot A plus
Cot
1.
A
3 cot A
plus 1 will be there. Root 3 cot A plus 1 will be
Plus
this
one.
place. Here root 3
One.
cot A is there, but plus 1 is not there. So on both the side, add 1. On both the side, add 1. Now from these two, we can take root 3 cot A plus 1 as the common. So if you take this is the common, then it is root 3 cot A plus 1. We can take it as a common. Then remaining is root 3 cot B plus the remaining one will be there. So this is root 3
Cot
cot B plus 1 is
One.
equal to
1.
3 plus 1, 4. So that answer is 4. So that is the procedure. Take that.
Complete, sir.
Yes, look at the next problem. Observe this problem number 20 first. Observe this problem number 20 first is sigma sine of A minus B upon cos A cos B. So we have to find the value of this.
First option, sir, 0.
0. Good. So always remember that whenever if you have the sigma sign and if you have the minus sign in the numerator, 99% of the cases the answer will be 0. Okay. So blindly we can remember that whenever we find the sigma and we have the minus sign in the numerator, so most of the cases the answer will be the 0. So here how do you evaluate this? Where sigma represent sum of the terms. But the question is that in that summation, how many terms will be there? So here the angles are A, B actually given, means we have to consider the C also. A, B, C generally we will consider that angles. So A, B, C means we'll have the 3 terms in the summation. Those terms will get in the cyclic order. One is the AB, BC, CA. Like that we'll get the angles in the cyclic order. Here the angles are A minus B, that is the first term. Plus second term, the angles will have the B and C, that is B minus C will be there. Plus third term, C minus A will be there in general. Okay, so that's fine. To simplify this, what we will do is it is sigma. First in the numerator, sine of A minus B is there. What rather the formula for sine of A minus B or the formula for sine of A?
Sin A
Sin A cos
Sin
B
A cos
minus
B
cos A.
minus cos A sin B.
Minus cos B sin A upon cos A cos B. Then split that
Cos A sin B.
cos A sin B again.
सर फॉर्मूले में cos A sin B
No formula
Cos A
में.
sin B.
सर फॉर्मूले में
ऊपर
Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B.
cos A sin
Okay. Now split the terms. If you split the term in the first term, cos B cancel. Remaining sin A by cos A, which is
tan
minus second can be.
can be.
So these are the term we are getting. Now we will expand the sigma. If you expand the sigma, where the first term is tan A minus tan B plus second term, because here you got the angles in terms of A and B. Next term you will get the angle in terms of B and C. So the second term you have tan B minus
Tan B minus tan C
plus third term
plus
we will
tan
have
C minus
tan C minus tan A. So like that we will get the angles in the cyclic order. Okay, A, B, B, C, C, A. That this entire summation we can add the sigma. So here all the terms are getting cancelled. So answer is 0.
0.
At least we should consider 3 angles, sir.
That is by default we have to consider 3 angle. आपको 3 पसंद आए तो 4 भी consider कर सकते. But 4 consider तो A, B, B, C, C, D, D, A. तो इसे consider करना पड़ेगा.
But there is just A and B given, no?
A and B given, but that is by default. मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ ना. By default, suppose if they have mentioned that in a quadrilateral, then you have to consider 4 angle. If they have mentioned that in triangle ABC, then you have to consider the 3 angle. But if they are not mentioning anything, also consider those are the angles of the triangle. So consider 3 angle in general. Even if they are not mentioned, that is you have to understand.
Sir, if
Sir,
we have
numerator
given
में
3
प्लस
angles,
होगा तो सर
then
Huh?
we can use 4 angles.
न्यूमरेटर में प्लस होगा तो सर A और B के बीच में
प्लस है तो हमको अलग आंसर मिल जाएंगे, तो वो समेशन ऑफ tan a plus tan b plus tan b plus tan c plus tan c tan a आंसर आएगा।
Yes.
जीरो नहीं आता था, माइनस
Sir,
है
in
तो
question,
कैंसिल
if
होने
we
के लिए
have
कैंसिल
given
नहीं।
three angles
Huh?
A, B, and C.
हम्म,
Sir, in question, if we have given three angles A, B, and C,
हम्म।
then we have to consider fourth angle D as.
No, no. If they have mentioned about the fourth angle, then only we have to consider the fourth angle. Otherwise, we have to consider the three angles only. Particularly if they have mentioned about the fourth angle, then only consider the fourth angle. Otherwise, you have to consider three angles.
Done.
Let's look at the 22nd problem. So look at the second 22nd is sigma sine of a plus b into sine of a minus b upon sine square a sine square b. Sine square a into sine square b.
Sir,
So
one.
here also we can observe that there is a sigma sign and have the minus sign in the numerator. So the answer might be 0.
One.
So here also observe the numerator once. Sin a plus b into sin a minus b is there. What is the
Sin
formula for
square
sin
A
a plus b
minus
into
sin
sin a
square
minus
B.
b?
Sin square A minus sin square B.
Sin square A minus sin
A
square B.
minus sin square b upon sin square a into sin square b. Then it is sigma. Now split the terms. If we split the term where sin square a is getting cancelled, the meaning is 1 by sin square
Cosec
b,
square
which is cosecant square b,
Cosec square
B.
A.
minus second term
Cosec square
cosecant
Cosec square
square
A.
b. Okay, but actually the angles we should get in the cyclic order. That's why AB, BC, CA we want it, but here we got the BA. That's why I take the minus common. Then minus sigma. This is you can write cosecant square A minus cosecant square B. Like that, we will bring that angles in the cyclic order. That is minus of. We will expand the sigma now. If expand the sigma, then what the terms we are getting? Cosecant square A minus
square
cosecant
A
square B
minus
is the first
Cosecant
term.
square B
Plus
B
plus
second
cosec square B
Plus-
minus cosec square C.
minus cosecant square C plus
cosec square
Cosec
C
square
minus
C
cosec
minus
square A.
cosec square A.
minus cosecant square A. These are the three terms we are going to get it. So here also you can observe that all the terms are getting cancelled. So the answer is 0.
0. Done.
Done.
Sure. Look at the next problem. 23rd problem. Just observe this. Tan 27 degree into tan 32 degree plus tan 32 degree into tan 31 degree plus tan 31 degree into tan 27 degree. So what is the value of this? So to find this value, here also once observe the angles. Here the angles are 27 degrees one angle plus 31 degrees another angle plus 32 degrees the third angle. What is the sum of these three angles?
90.
80.
90 degree.
And
Sum of the three angle is 90 degree.
Right.
So I was given the result to you that if a plus b plus c is equal to pi by 2 or odd multiple of pi by 2, then what is the result in terms of the tan?
1.
1. What is that 1? Sigma tan A tan B value is
Sigma
1.
tan.
If A plus B plus C is 90 degree or odd multiple of the 90 degree, sigma tan A tan B is equal to 1. That is the result. So therefore here sum of the three angles is 90 degree. So therefore sigma tan A means tan 27 into tan 31 degree value is equal to 1. So if you expand the sigma, within the sigma you will find the three terms. Those are these three terms. That value is equal to 1. So it's a direct result. Yes, sure. Look at the 24th problem. 24th problem. Here it is given that A plus B plus C is equal to 360 degree. Then what is the value of cot A by 4 plus cot B by 4 plus cot C by 4 is equal to K times cot A by 4, cot B by 4, cot C by 4. Then what is the value of the K? So that LHS side, simply we can write that sigma cot A by 4, sum of the terms you can find it, is equal to K times, on the RHS side you can find the product of the terms in the cot. When there is a product, that product we can represent by the symbol called pi. Pi cot A by 4 we can write it. So then, so this is a given problem. Now here A plus B plus C was given as 360. But here the angle was mentioned as about A by 4, B by 4, C by 4. That's why we'll divide it by 4 on both the sides. If I divide it by the 4, then A by 4 plus B by 4 plus C by 4 is equal to 360 by 4, which is 90 degree. Then we know the result for this. Suppose if A plus B plus C is 90 degree, what is the result in terms of the cot? Cot में result क्या है? Sum of the angle 90 है तो
sigma cot A is equal to pi cot A.
Cot B equal to 1.
Pi cot A. So exactly here sum of the three angle is equal to 90 degree. Therefore the result is that sigma cot A by 4, where angle is A by 4, is equal to pi cot A by 4. This is the result. So if we compare these two, what is the value of the K?
1.
1.
K is equal to 1.
Done, sir.
Next, look at the next problem. Look at this 25th problem. Where tan alpha is given 2, where alpha lies between 0 to pi by 2, means it lies in the first quadrant. Then we have to find the value of sine alpha upon sine cube alpha plus 3 cos cube alpha is equal to how much? Okay. So to find this value, what we will do is, one way is that tan alpha was given. Consider the right angle triangle, then find the third side of the right angle triangle, then find the sine alpha, cos alpha, then substitute there. Or otherwise, it is sine alpha, okay.
Divided by cos alpha, denominator and numerator.
Okay. Then what we will do is there is sine alpha upon, since tan alpha value was given, that's why every term of this expression we will convert in terms of that tan. For that, tan alpha is sine alpha by cos alpha. So
Okay.
from the denominator, take cos cube alpha common. From the denominator, take the cos cube alpha common. Take this is the common. Here there is no cos cube alpha. Means you have to divide it by cos cube alpha. Sine cube by cos cube. Tan
Tan
cube
cube.
alpha plus 3, we will get it. Take the cos cube alpha common from the denominator, then this term become sine cube by cos cube, which is tan cube alpha plus 3 will be there. Now, in the numerator, sine alpha upon, here take 1 cos alpha from this. Sine alpha by cos alpha, which is tan alpha.
10.
And remaining Cos square alpha
Cos
will be
square
there
alpha.
here in the denominator. 1 by cos square alpha, we can write secant square alpha.
6 square.
Like that, you can express it by tan cube alpha plus 3. Okay. Further, tan alpha into, there is a secant square alpha, we can write 1 plus tan square
1
alpha
plus tan.
by tan cube alpha plus 1 plus 3. Like that, all the terms will convert in terms of the tan alpha. Now we'll substitute the value of the tan alpha there. Where tan alpha is the 2 into 1 plus 2 square upon 2 cube plus 3. That is 2. What is the answer?
10 by 11.
10 by 11.
10 by 11. No, take that.
Done, sir.
Next, look at the 26th problem. This model of the problem already you have solved in the first topic. So look at this. Cot 20 degree was given P.
Sir, option third.
Option third. Okay.
Sir, option third.
Good. Cot 20 degree is given P. We have to find the value of tan 160 degree minus tan 110 degree upon 1 plus tan 160 degree into tan 110 degree. Okay. So see, since here the value for the 20 degree was given, that's why here all these given angles we will convert in terms of that 20 degree. To convert in terms of that 20, don't try to write all the steps. So means most of the cases use your brain only, do the brain calculations. That's for the objective for getting the fast and accuracy calculations. Use the brain properly. Always use the brain calculations. Don't try to write each and every step because the time will not permit us. So here 160, tan of 160, how do you write it?
180 minus
180 minus
180 minus 20.
20.
180 minus, that is
10,
angle of the second
20.
coordinate. In the second coordinate, tan is negative. When the 180 is there,
Minus tan
tan
20.
become tan only. That is minus tan 20. Minus 110 degree. How do you write it?
90 plus 20.
90 plus
90 plus 20.
90
90 plus
plus which
Minus
coordinate
cot
lines?
20.
90 plus
Okay.
second coordinate.
Minus cot 20.
Second coordinate
Second
tan
coordinate.
negative means you
Second.
have the minus sign.
Second.
Means it become plus. And the
Tan
90
means-
is there. Tan become cot.
Cot.
And also equal to cot 20 by 1 plus tan 160 means minus tan 20. Tan 110 means minus cot 20. So then minus cot 20 was given P, then tan 20 become
1 by P.
P plus P upon here minus into minus plus tan 20 into cot 20.
1.
1.
1.
1 plus
Yeah.
1, the denominator will get
Two.
that 2. Where LCM is P, so minus 1 plus P square means P square minus 1 by 2P, we will get it. That is the answer.
Done.
Done, sir.
Next, look at the 27 problem. What is the value of 130 tan 130 into tan 140 is equal to how much? So here observe that what is the sum of the angles?
70.
360.
70.
270.
270.
270, not the 70, it is 130. 130 and 140.
270.
Sum of the angle is 270. Already in the first topic of the trigonometry, we know the result that if a plus b is 90 or odd multiple of 90, tan a into tan b value
1.
1.
1.
So the answer is
One.
1. Because sum of the angle is 270, that is odd multiple of 90. So the answer is 1. That is the second option. Now look at the 28th problem. is given that, so tan A is equal to n upon n plus 1. So tan B is equal to 1 upon 2n plus 1. Then what is the A plus B angle? So that angle was given as a constant angle there, right? So A plus B, we have to find it. To find that, here the value of tan A, tan B was given in terms of the n. Directly, if you simplify that, it may take some time, because we'll get the somewhat simplifications. We have to do it. To avoid that, if you observe the options, no option contains the n. That's why all the n's are going to get cancelled. That's why take something for the n, then we will do the problem. बताओ क्या ले सकते हैं n value?
1.
1.
Anything 0 ले सकता ना? Because whatever may be the angle, whatever may be the value of the n, a plus b will get the constant value always. So take n equal to 0. If I take n equal to 0, what is the tan A?
0.
0.
Therefore, what is angle A?
0 degree.
0. Then what about the tan B?
1.
1. What is angle B?
1.
45.
45. Therefore, what is A plus B?
45 degree.
45.
degree.
Like that, we can take any value as you like.
Done, sir.
Sir, what is Sunday test syllabus?
That is trigonometry covered, including the first topic and this topic also.
Okay, sir.
Next, look at the 29 problem. It is given that tan A plus tan B upon tan of A plus B plus tan A minus tan B upon tan of A minus B is equal to how much? It's also a simple question. Here also options you can find the constant, means by substituting some value for A and B, you can check it. Otherwise, here directly tan of A plus B is there in the denominator. The formula for tan of A plus B is
tan A plus tan
Tan A
B
plus tan B
upon
upon 1
minus
minus
tan A
tan A.
1
tan-
minus tan A tan
into
B.
tan B.
Where tan A plus tan B gets cancelled.
plus tan
Tan A plus tan B gets cancelled. So this 1 minus tan A tan B goes to the numerator. Means this value is 1 minus tan A tan B plus. Similarly, what is the value for this?
tan A
1
minus
plus
tan
tan
B.
A tan-
plus tan A tan
plus
B.
tan
1
A.
plus tan A tan B.
So where tan A tan B cancel, so answer is 2.
Done, sir.
Next, look at the 30 problem. What is the value of tan 75 degree plus cot 75 degree? बताओ tan 75 degree की value क्या है?
2 plus root 3. 2
plus root 3.
Plus root 3. Cot 75 degree की value क्या है?
1
2
by
minus
2
root
plus
2 minus root 3.
2 minus root 3. दोनों पे ऐड किया तो
4. 4.
answer is
4.
4 is the answer. Now look at the 31st problem. A plus B plus C is 360 degree. What is the value of tan A by 2 plus tan B by 2 plus tan C by 2 चाहिए हमको. Here angles are A by 2, B by 2, C by 2 are there. So if you divide it by the 2,
Divided
then A by 2 plus B by 2 plus C by 2 is equal to 180, right?
by 180.
We know the result that if A plus B plus C is pi or n pi, what is the result in terms of the tan?
Summation of
Sigma
tan
tan
A
A is equal to pi tan A.
Sigma tan A is equal to pi tan A. Sigma tan A equal to pi tan A means sum of the tans is equal
Option
to product
third.
of the tan. कौन सा आंसर है?
Option third. Tan A by
Third.
2 into tan
Tan
B.
A by 2, tan B by 2,
Tan
tan
C
C
by
by
2.
2.
Good. Now look at the 32nd problem. It's also a simple question. A plus B plus C was given as 180 degree. Then the value of cosecant A into